Welcome to our channel. If you want to improve your gut microbiome and support digestive health, follow these essential steps. Step 1. Eat a diverse range of plant-based foods, including various fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds, to promote microbial diversity. Step 2. Include prebiotic foods like garlic, onions, leeks, asparagus, bananas, and oats that feed beneficial gut bacteria. Step 3. Consume probiotic-rich fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and kombucha regularly to introduce beneficial bacteria. Step 4. Limit artificial sweeteners which may negatively affect gut bacteria composition and metabolism. Step 5. Avoid unnecessary antibiotics and only take them when medically necessary, as they can disrupt the gut microbiome. Step 6. Reduce stress through relaxation practices, as chronic stress can alter gut bacteria composition and function. Step 7. Get adequate sleep of 7 to 9 hours per night, as sleep quality affects gut microbiome health. Step 8. Consider taking a high-quality probiotic supplement after consulting with a healthcare provider, especially if you've recently taken antibiotics. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.